Look where we are, bro. We're actually, this is Canary Wharf, one of the big buildings on here. You got up here easily. Look how high this one is. Let me go on the other side. One of the best spots man's been to still. Some madness up here. See the there's one Jake right there, fam. You're probably going to see the flap when they get to the next floor. Like, look. Man said armed fucking Jakes right there. Armed Jakes right there. Mad. All the way up here. Mad. Bro, don't be lacking. Don't be lacking up here, bro. We were hiding right here and behind there. No one came up here, nothing. They said clean and that. Get out, fam. We're just like Ali Law, bro. Back of a police car. Gang shit. This is gonna bang vision to